Alright, this is video 2011 V6 Camaro. Just had Magnaflow, part number 12468. Dual in, dual out, muffler built-in crossover pipe installed with 4-inch tips. This is in-cab video with windows up, normal takeoff. Resonators were removed also. Sounds pretty good, not too much drone. Normal cruising, about 1500, 2000 RPM. It's pretty quiet, not getting too much. Get back on it. Sounds clean, not too raspy. Sounds perfect, nice and tuned. Slow down here for a sec. That's Go ahead and roll the windows down, see what it sounds like with the windows down. Alright, normal driving, almost idle. Step it up a little bit. Sounds pretty good. Overall, super happy with the system. Sounds real good, real clean. Done at Pitts Muffler Shop. They did a real super clean job on all the welding. Used all the hangers. They did an excellent job. If you get anyone on the forums have any questions, just give me a holler. And like I said, again, part numbers were 12468 Magnaflow muffler, and the tips were 35121 dual wall 4-inch tips.